let's review improper fraction to mixed numbers. So improper fraction, ito yung tinatawag na improper fraction dahil mas malaki ang kanyang numerator kaysa denominator. So paano siya gawing mixed numbers? So simple lang, i-divide mo lang yan. 17 divided by 5. We can have 3, di ba? 3 times 5, 15. I-minus mo yan. 17 minus 15, 2. So itong remainder na 2, gawin mong numerator. Itong 5 dito, gawin mong denominator. So we have 3 and 2/5 for the mixed numbers of 17 over 5. So kaya siya tinatawag na mixed numbers dahil magkahalo, mixed. Mayroong whole number na 3, mayroong fraction na 2/5. Kaya magkahalo ang 3 and 2/5. Kaya siya tinatawag na mixed numbers. So again, 22 over 7. So divide lang natin, 22 divided by 7. So we can have 3. 3 times 7, 21. Minus mo yan. So that is 22 minus 21, 1. So that is, again, ang remainder gawing numerator. Ang 7 gawing denominator. So we have 3 and 1 over 7. So practice this one, 29 over 6. You can comment down your answer. So actually, ang pag-convert into mixed numbers ay katulad lang din ng fraction to decimal. I-divide mo lang yan. Ang magkaiba lang is, yung remainder, hindi mo gagawing fraction. Gagawin mong, ay dadagdagan mo ng 0 dito, tapos i-bring down mo, i-continue mo ang pag-divide. 20 divided by 5, 4. So 3.4 in decimal number. So ang 3 and 2/5 is equivalent also to 3.4 kung decimal number ang pag-uusapan.